Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a back button on your Samsung phone. So you can see I just turned it on right here, and I can just press this to go home. So much easier. I like it. So to do this, swipe down from top right. And then there's going to be a couple different ways that we can do this. Now, we could just go to the top and just type in gestures. Make sure there's an S in there, gestures, and go to search. And this is how you can probably find it on any Android device. It's just going to be simply called gestures. Now there's going to be a bunch of different phrases on here, and it could be in a different location than where I show you on your phone. So on my Samsung phone, it's going to be swipe gestures under display navigation bar. I can just tap this and bring me to this navigation type. So I can switch from swipe gestures, where it gets rid of it, to buttons. Now you can also do this on your Samsung phone, specifically under display. Go all the way down to the bottom to navigation bar. So on every version of Android, this could be a little bit different, and then also depending on your brand of Android that you're using, if it's Xiaomi or Samsung or Motorola. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.